Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to finish decorating our little mini box journal. Um, and I was hoping to come back on and have it decorated sooner, but life happens and school is starting soon, so we were getting everything ready to go for that. So today we're going to decorate it. And now I don't want to do too much to it. I mean, I want to make it like a nice writing journal because there is a lot of writing space. But I'll show you just like a few things that I want to kind of do to decorate it. And I have my paper, plus I have scraps behind me, and then I have little pieces from the box that we saved. So we're going to use some of those for like pockets and things. So let's just get started and I'll tell you my ideas as we go. Okay, so we have these two little pieces. And they were just little flaps, and I've already went ahead and cut them. So they're going to be 2.5 inches long by 1.5 tall. I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit. And we're going to use these for our front and back inside pockets. So just like that. So we're just going to cover these. And what I think I'm going to do is just lay them on some paper and glue it down and then cut them out. Well, we'll do this one for one, and then we'll do, let's see here, I have another strip. We'll do this one for the other one. So I'm just going to cover this just on the front, and I'll ink around it, and then I'll come back and we'll glue it into our book. So I went ahead and I cut out 2 pockets, and then I also cut out a tag and 2 journal cards as well while I was going. And I just backed them on a little bit heavier cardstock, and I left the backs blank, and then I just inked around the front of it. So that's what we'll put in these pockets. So we're just going to glue it down like we normally would for a pocket, just on 3 sides. And this one doesn't really matter too much of top and bottom, so let's glue it however. Okay, like that. Then we'll go ahead and glue the back one as well. Okay. Then we can just stick a couple little journaling pockets in here. Like that. That's cute. And then we'll stick the tag in the front. Like that. And then I have 4 tabs that I want to cover. And again, I'm just going to cover it front and back with some of our scrap paper. And I have these 2 little pieces that I kind of thought I could use to stick in a pocket. I kind of thought I would use them as little itty bitty pockets, but I think they're going to be too small. So I'll cover those and use those in a pocket. Then I also have this long strip that came off of the box, and I'm going to cover it and use it like as a belly band. And then I have this piece as well that we're going to use as a side pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and cover those, and then I'll come right back. All right, so I have all my pieces backed, double-sided, if they needed it and cut out and inked. So now we can just go ahead and place everything in our book. So for these little tabs, I double-sided them. So on this side, I used the pattern paper that we did in our journal, and then I used just this green kind of like textured type paper because I thought it kind of went with it. So let's just, I have 4, so I'm going to put 1 in each signature. And where you place them is kind of up to you. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to like pick a spot. This is in like the second half. So I'm just going to place it here. So I'll just put like a small strip of glue on here. Then it'll look like that on that side. And this on this side. And then you'll be able to kind of see it when the book is closed. And we'll just go to the next signature. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have been following along. And if you have, tell me what you really enjoyed about this project. Is it something that you tried that maybe I did, or is it something that you tried that you came up with on your own? And how did it turn out? How did your journal go? And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you never miss an upload or any of these series that I post, or any of the haul videos or the challenge videos that I do. So I'm going to stick one here. And I forgot there's only 3 signatures in this journal, but I want to go ahead and place all of them. So I think I may just place an extra one here in the back of the book. Just like that. All right. So when our book is closed, that one kind of, oh well, they're stuck now. When our book is closed, you see, oops, just like that. This one should have been moved over just a little bit, but that's okay. Now we have our side pocket that I would like to put somewhere. And let's see. I think we'll just put it, no, that's not a full length page. Let's put it on this music paper here. So I'm just going to glue it close to the edge. And it overhung just a little tiny bit, so I'll trim it off and then I'll kind of re-glue it. Let me grab my little scissors. Okay. And let me add a little extra glue here. Okay. Just like that. And then I'm going to let this dry for just a minute before we put anything in it. But all I did is I just took a piece of paper and I kind of tore it down. Let me zoom you out a little bit. There we go. I tore it down and I just folded it like this. And I figure, because it's blank on one side and really pastel on the other, we could just kind of stick it in here, just like that. And it'll give extra journaling space, almost just like a piece of like stationery paper. So like that. And then let's do our belly band, which I think we'll just do it on this page, just like that. So on this one, I'm just going to glue at the top and the bottom. And actually, let's do it on this page, more towards the back. Just kind of center it like that. And then I just have the other half of that paper that is just kind of plain, and it has just a few little tiny, almost like that baby breath. I'll just stick that in here, like that. Okay. And I think we're going to call this journal done because, like I said, I didn't really want to over decorate it because I think the papers are decorative enough, and I wanted this to be a lot of writing space. The only thing I will say is we left some of our pages folded, and if you wanted to go ahead and glue them down, you could, or you can just leave them so they like open up. I personally am just going to leave them. And then you can like journal on and you can flip it back over. So that's just how I'm going to choose to leave mine. You can decorate yours however. That glue is not 100% set yet, so I'm going to take that out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed this series. And my daughter Lizzie has been crafting along this whole entire time, and she decorated her own. And after help with, sewing just the first signature in, she did the other two all by herself. So she wants to quickly show you guys what she made. So it's the same exact thing. We used pretty much the same papers on the inside, but then she picked out her paper for the outside, and she decorated it with just a couple pockets. So I'm going to let her show you what she made.
Okay, so hi guys, I made a peacock journal along with you guys. So that's my front cover. This is the back. It has, on the side there's like a little, peacock feather, and then I used rainbow stuff to sew, so as a rainbow there. And then in the front page I made this little pocket with the stuff extra for this one, on that one. And then in the back here I made a tiny one with this one, and then I did different ones for this whole different thing, and that's what I did for my journal. So I hope you guys like my journal I made, and I thought it would be very cute. So yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and again, if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Happy crafting! Bye!